In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add people or users to a Jira project. Whether you're collaborating with colleagues, managing a team, or simply need to onboard new members, this guide will take you through the process step by step, ensuring you get it right every time. First, you'll need to navigate to the specific Jira project where you want to manage users. This is your starting point. It's important to have a clear idea of which project you're working on, as this will ensure the right people have access to the correct resources and information. So once you've logged into your Jira account, browse through your list of projects and select the one you're interested in. Now hover your mouse over the project that you'd like to add people or users to. As you do this, you'll notice some options appear that are related to the project's settings. This is where you'll find the tools you need to modify the user list. It's designed to be straightforward, but hovering over the project makes sure everything loads right away for easy access. Next, look for the horizontal 3 dots located next to the project's name. This is a key feature that holds various project settings and options. When you click on these 3 dots, a context menu will appear. This menu has several functions, but for now, you'll want to select Add People. It's this straightforward access point that allows you to bring new team members into the fold without any hassle. Once you've opened the Add People menu, you'll need to type in relevant information about the user you want to add. Typically, you can input their name, group, or email address here. Knowing their email can come in particularly handy if they've never interacted with Jira before, or if there are multiple individuals with similar names. This helps in precisely locating and adding the correct person to your project. After you've entered the necessary details, it's time to assign the appropriate role to the user from the drop-down menu. This is crucial as roles determine what actions a user can perform within the project. You have a few options here ranging from member to viewer or even administrator. Carefully consider what level of access each user should have to help maintain project security while facilitating effective collaboration. Once you've selected the correct role for your new team member, simply click Add to finalize the process. This last step securely integrates them into the project, enabling all the necessary permissions and settings that you've designated. It's always a good practice to double check the roles and access you've given each member, ensuring everything aligns with your desired team dynamics and workflow. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're now adept at managing your team's access to Jira projects. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out more of our videos for additional tips and tricks.